Welcome. I'm Calvin Jones with the Park Tool Company. I'm Director of Education. We're going to show you at Interbike some of the 2011 product line. First, we have a couple of small, what we call micro tools. The IB11 and IB12, they're thinner and lighter and smaller version for the discerning road biker or mountain biker. Slips right into your pocket. So wide variety of tools, very small, thin profile tools. We would like to also show you a couple of more shop-oriented items. Very fun tool we call the dummy pedal, the DP1. All good bikes, mountain bikes and road bikes, don't come with pedals, so the mechanic now must assemble the bike rather than thread a pedal in. We take this tool, a half a turn in here, cut some threads. I am now adjusting gears, I'm setting brakes, I'm doing all my work. I'm done. With that bike, I'm on to the next bike. So that's a new tool. Another tool is the BBT10. It is steel. It is that 8-point fitting for the Shimano crank cap. This is a bottom bracket cap. It is very much like the headset cap. This isn't for tightening. This is for, can be for tightening. This is for loosening when they're seized. These two bolts are loosened, and then this breaks free the cap. If you need more force, you can loosen it with a hex wrench. But when these are corroded with salt water and are simply not coming out, this is the tool that you need, the BBT10. Putting them back in, it's a very gentle load. It's the removal that is often difficult. We also have a 3-way Torx compatible wrench, a T30 fitting. You see that on chainring nuts, various fittings. The T25, of course, very popular on rotor bolts and now derailleur components as well from SRAM. T10, very popular on many hydraulic fittings on the reservoir cap of hydraulic brakes, so another good tool. Let us talk about some simple tools. We have Needlenose. Everyone loves a good Needlenose. We have some crimpers, grabbing very small things, and some side pole cutters here. Very good for the wound brake housing, so those from Park Tool. A new nice fold-up chain tool. Folds up in a little package here, all folds out. A carrier long light tool, 10-speed compatible certainly, 9876 for that matter. A hole here to break off your Shimano connection rivet stud. It is a lot of nice leverage, so it's good hand hold here. You can drive the rivet out nicely and then just fold it up. And off you go. The more sophisticated tool is called the DT4. It's a rotor mount facer. This is called a post mount. Our caliper will bolt to this style, bolt through goes through here. There's systems called the IS standard. They go sideways, the bolts mount sideways. The fork manufacturers are going to the post mount. This will allow facing. So this fits on the through axles, it fits on quick release, it fits on rear axles, it also fits on the 15mm through axle. So we set this tool up, we get it parallel to our mounts. We will install the facer and we will tighten that up. We can face one. You can see here, this is where we set the height. I would want to lower it just till you skin it. I keep the same height and I move to the next one so they are the same height to one another and also nicely perpendicular to the disc. Okay, so that will allow facing of your post mount. We have another tool. This is the WAG Wheel-Align Gauge 5, the WAG 5. It's going to be our entry-level dishing tool. It covers a wide range of hub widths, including solid axles. It's quicker to use. It does fold up if you're the traveling mechanic, you prefer to take it with you. So we can check one side, we check it to the other side, and then we know our wheel is dished or if it needs work. When we're truing a wheel like this one, we have a bladed spoke here. The BSH4, there's 4 different slots, and that is used to hold the spoke to keep it from rotating. So we have an option here. This one fits nicely. This one seems too tight, but there are spokes that this one will fit. Then we have wider and wider, so there's quite a wide range of spokes. Now you can have one tool that will fit all. And that keeps it from twisting while you're truing the wheel and keeps your wheel as fast as possible. So the bladed spoke holder -4. A nice update to the line. We made a running change in the SS15, thinner, lighter, but still made of good quality steel, steel being real. We have a tire lever. We have your 15 here for your axle nuts, and the ubiquitous bottle opener, and a pedal wrench. So lighter, nicer. Speaking of bottle openers, the wall mounted, we prefer this be mounted to the wall, not the bike. That is a bottle opener there. You're wondering where the caps would fall. You would collect your caps here. Once your bottle caps are all full, you can recycle your aluminum. So again, that is mounting to the wall or whatever you like. For the professionals and frame builders, we also have some new headset cutting tools. The headset world is full of new standards. The 1 1/8" ZS standard. This is an internal headset reamer, and that can come with a facer. We have the 1 1/2" ZS standard reamer, and a pilot that offers a piloting and facing only option. We also offer an 11-speed compatible chain whip and the 1/8" fixed gear sprocket remover. And that's it from Park Tool.